Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is going to be a quick review of an item that I purchased recently. This is the Tuffiom rolling tool cart. I decided to do this review. I'm going to put the thing together anyway, so I thought, well, I'll just make a video out of it. Maybe it'll help someone else who's maybe in the market for something like this. I was not asked to do this review. I did not get this item free or anything like that. I paid full price for it. There is a link in the description if anyone cares to purchase one, but like I say, I paid full price for this. I just needed something like this. So let's get on with the review. Here we go. All right, let's see what we have here. Well, it seems to be pretty well packed. Some of the comments I read about this thing were that the steel was kind of thin. I don't get that impression by looking at it. So we'll see. Now let me get this stuff out of the way. All right, let me get this thing out of the box and we'll take another look at it. My first impression is that it looks to be pretty well made. Powder coating looks even. This thing got mostly good reviews. Some of the reviewers mentioned that the casters were not sturdy enough, but these look pretty beefy to me. Here's the hardware, handle, instructions. So, 3 shelves. So, I'm going to take an inventory. Take a quick look at the instructions and we'll start putting it together. One of the complaints the reviewers had on this item was that the casters were somewhat lacking, but these seem to spin and roll easily. Brake works fine. 2 of them have brakes. One thing I do notice is that all the hardware provided is the same size. And these are really the wrong size for these, for these casters. They fit the holes okay. And another complaint that some of the reviewers had was that these would tend to tear out. Now, I don't really see how that could happen unless you're really overloading this thing. It's rated for supposedly 330 pounds. I would not recommend putting that much weight on these things, but I'm going to mitigate that, hopefully, by using a washer, quarter-inch washer, on the underside, like so. Come on, get in there. So as to hopefully alleviate any tear out. Let me get in frame here. Alleviate any tear out. I can see how that would happen without a washer there. So I'm going to try to avoid that. And let's just it comes with these self-locking nuts, so hopefully that'll work. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these installed. Let me add that these washers are not included with the cart. I just happen to have a bunch of them, so I really think that'll help. Okay, here you can see the washers are installed. Now, I'm going to use a 10 millimeter socket to tighten everything up. I'm not going to bore you with that. All right, before I tighten these up, I have test fitted this is the bottom shelf, middle shelf, top shelf, and I test fitted them to make sure that the holes lined up with the other shelves. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up a little bit, install the middle shelf, and then the top shelf. So we'll see how that goes. All right, I've got just enough bolts in this thing to make sure that the holes are all going to line up, and they do. So I'm going to go ahead and install and tighten up the rest of the bolts. Here is the Tuffiom a Tuffiom, I guess that's how you pronounce it, rolling tool cart after assembly. I didn't have any particular issues assembling it. All the pieces fit together, all the holes lined up. It turned out pretty nice, I think. I added some washers to the top side of the caster fasteners. I think that will give it a little bit more strength. I did notice that after I assembled it, it was a little bit difficult to move. And I think that was because the washers and the bearings on the casters were just dry. So I added a little bit, I put a few drops of household oil, like 3-in-1 oil will do just fine, to the bearings and the wheels, and it rolls around great now. Rolls with no problem. No problem at all. You can see where I added the washers, just 1/4-inch washers. The description says this is good for 350 pounds. I don't necessarily believe that. I would not push my luck putting that kind of weight on this thing. But for light to medium duty in a shop or garage, I think it's just fine, and I think it's worth every bit of what I paid for it. So there you go. Hope that'll be helpful to someone. So there you have it, my friends. A review of the Tuffiom. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I have no idea. Rolling tool cart. After getting it together and using it for a little bit, I like it. I think it's well worth the price. I mean, it's not meant for heavy duty, but I bought it specifically to hold an item that will be in an upcoming video. So anyway, I hope this was of a little bit of help to someone out there. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. So until next time, thanks for watching. See you soon.